Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can generate your affiliate link as an affiliate marketer. Your affiliate link should be something like this, where you see your affiliate link and then you see it ends with a reference and then your user ID, or it can be numbers in some cases. Now, one thing you need to understand is there are two major types of affiliate link that you need to be aware of. The first one is something like this, which is for the product, which is for the platform that you are signing up into. Or it can be something like this, some bunch of characters combined randomly, which is something like this for a product. That means if you're promoting a single product, you might have an affiliate link like this. So these are the two major links that you should be aware of. So for most cases, for you to create your affiliate link, the first thing you need to do is to visit the platform, which is a good example of something like this. You can find the link either at the bottom of the website, which is like this, which could be something like this, where if you click, it will take you to the right site where you access it, or I will leave the link in the description box of this video where you can click and then it will take you there directly. Now, so depending on the platform, once you click, it will bring you to a page like this where you fill the necessary information and then you put your username, your password, and the rest of them. Then you click register. Once you are done registering, it will now bring you up to a point where you'll be able to have access to your affiliate link where you share and you get earn. Now, the reason why this is very, very important is without this, all your effort of trying to promote that particular platform, that means promoting, spreading, getting users, cannot be monitored. It cannot be tracked. So it's this affiliate link that will make it possible for you to be tracked, know what is going on, how many people you brought to the platform, who is paying, who is not paying, and the money that is being generated is being calculated. Even the aspect of the cookies, that is how the cookies is being monitored too, so that you can get paid for your effort. Now there is one key thing you need to be aware of. By the time you create an account in that particular platform, one thing I always advise people to do is to do a little check on their referral link. Let me show you a simple example of what I'm saying. If I come to this very point, you see I have 125 referrals. For your own, depending on the platform, you might not see any referral yet. We are going to do a simple test now so that I see if the referral link that we are giving is correct. We are going to try to sign up using another different Gmail, using my referral link, so that I will know if the link is actually effective. Now, this is the first point we are saying. I'll go to my referral down link now, and I'm going to show you another thing. If I come here, now while we're having 125 sign-ups here, which is referrals here, we'll go up, and then by the time we come to this very point that says account, we'll click down lines. By the time we click down lines, we'll get to see the last person that signed up on our platform, which is this particular name, which is exactly 1 month ago. So to run this test, to make sure that we are actually giving the right link, we'll go and create a new account now. Just watch. I'm going to create a new account now. Now on this particular place, now I'm actually using my referral link to sign up now. You see my referral name is already here. It automatically places it where it is required. So I'll now put the name. I will say Mosque Love. I'll pick my username Mosque Love. I'll now say mail. Register as a worker, yes. I'll pick the name. And then I'll put a password. I'll say Mosque. I'll say Mosque. And then we click register. So just watch. It says I need at least 8 characters. So I'll change the password. You'll see Mosque 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'll say Mosque 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And I'll now click register. Now it has asked me to verify, so I'll go to my email now and verify the code that was sent to me. But before then, let me come back here now and confirm. Once I confirm, you see the last name that is here. Let's refresh the page now and see. We're going to refresh the page. You see, Musclove has been added. Musclove has just been added. You can see just now. So let's go back again now to the main link where we have our referral number. I'll come down here. You see, 125. Let me refresh the page. You see, it has gone to 120. So that means the link they gave us is correct. Now, the beautiful thing about this is you get to see when you start earning, you get to see your earnings comes in various form like this. You get to see this is refer, this is withdrawal, this is withdrawal. You can see people actually earning from this platform. You can see a host of payments. You can see using OP. You can see with the bank information. You can see. So that means it's actually work. Now, the biggest problem starts when you begin to ask yourself now, when you have access to this particular link or any link I'm giving you from this particular tutorial now, before we look into the aspect of the promotion, the next question you ask yourself is, what problem does this platform that you are trying to create account solves? Now, the best strategy I do most of the time is I look at the problem I face, I document the process, then anything I'm able to do to solve the problem, I can also assist others to solve the problem, either by giving them access to my own referral link or by giving them direct access to me where they get paid to get that problem solved. That is the best secret on how to make money online. It's not about just doing things anyhow. Now to make this in a much more better understanding, what problem does this platform solve? This platform solves the problem of people who need to grow their social media handle, because every influencer, everybody on social media that is trying to do one thing or the other, whether it's posting 1,000 times in a day, 1 million times in a day, spending thousands of dollars online to pay for courses, the overall goal is to grow their social media presence, and this platform like this help them to grow their social media presence, where they get to post and then they get to pay people to share those posts so that the post can go viral, where the system triggers it. Now, what is the combination of these solutions that we have here now? Now we have social media influencing, where these are people that have account on social media that you can help them solve problem here by giving them your link, as I will leave my own in the description box, where you get to sign up, then you get to promote and you get to earn. The second set is this one that talks about SEO. Now, another big problem for every content creation is SEO. That means being available on search engine. Now, when you go on search, you will notice one common problem. Let me show you a simple example now. Now, when I come on Google search, I say how to transfer money from Ghana to Nigeria, or any keyword that is search here, you notice some searches came first. You can see all these are SEO optimized videos. So the goal is to be available where a lot of people can see what you are posting. So that is the problem this particular platform solves. This very platform solves. Now, another big problem again